Hello, my name is Robert Shine. I'm Managing Director of Samco Agricultural Manufacturing in Adair, County Limerick. So we're here at the FTMTA show here on a lovely July day. Weather's meant to be good, so we're expecting some good crowds to come and visit us here at the stand. Most of the products we have here are the Bale trailer, or the Bale chasers we call it, and then the subsoilers and the maize drills, silage forks and the folding land levelers.
So here on the Samco CTS 1600, all the trailer functions are fully controlled by the joystick. So here on the user interface, this will be our home screen. We have manual, auto, and then we have functions like lights, beacons, road mode, bale count and settings. So when we come to the field, we can press the red button and she goes automatically into manual mode. So here we have screens 1 through to 6, and it's as the bale progresses through the trailer. So screen number 1 would be our load arm. Screen number 2 would be our mast for rise up and rise down and travel through the trailer. Screen number 3 would be adjusting the width of our front sides. Screen number 4, the width of our back sides. And then number 5 would be tipping, control of the top grippers. And number 6 would also be a secondary hidden function we have for the load arm and also for our flip table. So all the screens are color coded. As you can see, if I want to travel through the screen from 1 to 6, I press the yellow button, and to travel in reverse, I hold the blue button. We can also see up here I have an auto mode function controlled by the red button. If I press the red button once, I am now into auto mode. Highlighted by the colours is load, transfer, tip and bale lift, and they're all controlled by the buttons on the joystick. So for me to load my bale, I simply look at the screen, load is highlighted white, I press the load button once, and the trailer carries out the movement. Once my bale is loaded and my arm back down, simply press the white button again, load my second bale. For me to lift my mast up, I look over here and I see the function bale lift. I press and hold the green button and follow the diagram that is on the screen. So mast up, simply pull the joystick back until it is in the up position. Back once again, load 2 more bales on the bottom. Now I now have 4 bales. I'm ready to transfer them back in the trailer. I simply look at the screen again. Transfer is in the blue. I press the blue button. Blue is now highlighted. The trailer will carry out the function. We'll push the mast back, drop it down and travel all the way home to the home position, ready to load 4 more bales. In the sides of the trailer, in position 2 and position 4, we have proximity sensors, so it knows where the bale is in the trailer and will push back to position 4, 3, 2 and not push once the trailer is full. In order to tip, I simply go into auto mode once again, look at where tip is, it's highlighted yellow, so I press and hold the yellow button and I follow the function on my screen. So I simply pull the joystick back for tip up, as you can hear the beeping sensor, and push down for tip down. Simply when I go back to the field then, all I do is come out of manual, back into auto and load my 16 bales once again and back to the yard. And that is it. Up here on the user interface we also have a reversing camera which is on a hinge, so that as I tip up the trailer I can always see directly behind me for reversing back into a stack. And that is it. Once I travel onto the road, I exit the screen and that's the trailer fully locked. The joystick is now neutral, so nothing can move on the trailer.